My left titty's out. That one that got no papers, fool. It's fucked up. She's recording me. She kissed my titty. Bitch, what the... And she goes on the camera. It tastes like horchata. Bitch, what the fuck? What's the other one gonna taste? Mind you, I'm asleep the whole fucking time, dog. It's embarrassing, fool. You know I was snoring loud when the deaf neighbor comes knocking. In the muck! Shit! What the fuck? And she goes, you know, she has a little iPad thing or whatever, and she goes, you can't hear. I can feel the bass.